It's your man, Sugar Bear Pyro. Well, I'm going to start this video off saying that my man, G.A. Pyro, over there in Decatur doing it big with the Georgia boys, you were absolutely right. It did rain today. So, the demo did not go down. So, I'm going to run it by you again. The great one. Kick ass. Kick ass graphics. Oh, my extended E-match, as you see here. This was going to be the demo tonight. 5 cases I haven't seen in person. I've seen the videos and stuff, but 5 in person, which was the great one, which is 63 shot fan finale cake. Let It Go by Big. 27 shot, 500 grams. Thermal Blast. He got it from Big. 25 shot, 500 gram by Empire. Big Shadow Silence. 500 gram. 36 shot. And the Super Dab. I've always picked the Drumline over the Super Dab, but I said, shit, I'll try it this time. But Super Dab by Big. Super Dab, gotta look like Superman. 500 gram. 60 shot fan cake. 10 in each row. 6 row of 10. And it's the truth. But that's supposed to have been the demo today. But thanks a lot, buddy. You jinxed it. But all in all, you were right. But I could have put them in garbage bags or grocery bags and shot it anyway, but it wouldn't be the same. Then I got my damn phone and camera wet. But the great one, show in the box, 63 shots, Let It Go by Big, 27 shot, 500 okay. Thermal Blast from Empire, 25 shot, Shadow Silence, 500 gram, 36 shot. And the Super Dab by Big, 500 gram, 60 shot. But I'm going to attempt this tomorrow again and see what's happening. Because you all know, Sugar Bear always got the beer. Not only I got the beer, I got all the damn beers. All the damn beers. God damn it. God damn it. The beer. Always got the beer. So, these are the 5 that I haven't seen in person, and it's going down.